Imagine that every penny you spend could double, even triple over time. Sounds like magic? Well, it's not. It's the reality for those who know how to play their financial cards right. There are no tricks here, just smart strategies. Stay tuned and discover how to turn your everyday expenses into sources of passive income. Ready to stop spending and start investing? Keep watching and take control of your financial future today. When you pull out your wallet, do you see a spending tool or an investment vehicle? Every purchase decision could be a seed planted towards your prosperity. Consumers see prices. Investors see potential. The secret lies in discerning between expenses that drain your wallet and those that fill it. Spending on a coffee or investing those dollars in the stock market. The difference between another expense and a smart investment can be as subtle as changing where and how you use your money. And today, you're going to learn how each transaction can be a step towards your financial freedom. Transform your cash flow from a river flowing away to one flowing directly towards you. Every bill in your pocket has a superpower, the potential to grow. But how? That's the question that separates a consumer from an investor. A consumer enjoys in the moment. An investor thinks about tomorrow. Think about it. That impulsive purchase. Does it give you anything in return besides momentary satisfaction? But if you channel that money into an investment, you could be reaping rewards long after the initial pleasure has faded. Investing doesn't mean denying yourself pleasures. It means choosing them wisely. Not all expenses are bad, and not all investments are good. But learning to distinguish which is which, that's what will turn you from a mere spender into a true wealth accumulator. Are you spending on things that lose value or investing in assets that gain it? This distinction is what builds fortunes. And you don't need to be wealthy to start. You just need to start to be wealthy. Let's delve into how you can make every dollar count. Let me tell you about ordinary people who have turned small expenses into big investments. Like Laura, who, instead of buying her daily coffee, started investing that same amount in coffee company stocks. In 5 years, she not only saw her investment grow, but she was able to finance a dream vacation with the profits. Or Marcos, who chose to put his annual bonus into cryptocurrencies instead of a new car. His portfolio is now worth 6 times what that shiny car would have cost. These are not isolated stories. They're examples of how smart, consistent, and small financial decisions can turn into extraordinary results. And they're not just for experts. With the right information and tools, anyone can do it. Do you want to be the next Laura or Marcos? Stay tuned, and I'll show you how. To invest smartly, first understand the golden rule. Money should work for you. It's the foundation of smart investments, using your resources to generate more wealth. Start with compound interest, the force that Albert Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world. It's simple. Reinvest your earnings, and you'll see how your investment not only grows but accelerates its growth over time. Then, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in different assets to balance risks and opportunities. And most importantly, patience is key. Smart investments are not a lottery ticket. They're a long-term plan. Don't chase overnight success. Build your portfolio wisely and give it time to mature and flourish. Understanding smart investment is like learning a new language. First, master the alphabet and basic grammar, in this case, financial terms and principles. Then, start forming sentences, i.e., choose your first stocks or bonds. As you progress, you become fluent in more sophisticated strategies like diversification and risk analysis. Let's take a closer look at compound interest. It's not just interest on what you contribute, it's interest on the interest. If you invest $1,000 with an annual return of 7%, in 10 years you won't have $1,700, but around $2,000, thanks to the interest accruing on the interest earned in previous years. Diversification, on the other hand, is your insurance against market volatility. If one investment fails, others can support or even balance your portfolio. And about patience, Warren Buffett didn't get rich overnight. He took a long-term approach, choosing companies with good fundamentals and holding on to them through market ups and downs. So, to build wealth, it's not enough to know how to invest. You must understand the psychology of investments. Resist the urge to follow the crowd. Often, when everyone is buying, it's time to sell, and vice versa. And remember, smart investment isn't about guarantees, but about probabilities and patience. To turn every expense into an investment opportunity, focus on 3 strategies: automation, rewards, and financial education. First, automate the investment process. Set up your bank account so that a portion of each paycheck is automatically invested in indexed funds or selected stocks. This way, you're investing without even thinking about it. Also, consider investment platforms that allow you to buy fractional shares, letting you own part of large companies with what you'd spend on a dinner out. Then, take advantage of rewards programs. Use credit cards that offer cash back or points for investment. Some cards allow you to directly convert your points into investments in the stock market. There are even apps that round up your purchases to the nearest dollar, investing the change in a portfolio of stocks or cryptocurrencies. Finally, invest in your financial education. Read books, attend seminars, and use online resources to better understand where and how to invest your money. The most powerful investment you can make is in your knowledge, as it equips you to make smart long-term financial decisions. Remember, every expense has the potential to become an investment if you choose the right tools and strategies. It's not just about saving money, but about making your money grow steadily and safely over time.
If this video is opening your eyes to finance, hit like to support this channel and help us keep uploading more content. Comment on your biggest revelation so far and subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any financial secrets. And if you have a friend or family member who could benefit from this video, spread the word by sharing it. Let's continue with more strategies that will change your financial future.
To boost your investments, explore apps and platforms that simplify and optimize your financial strategy. Consider automated investment tools like robo-advisors that create and manage your portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. Also, use apps that allow you to invest your spare change from purchases, as well as platforms offering fractional investments in stocks and cryptocurrencies. Don't forget financial management apps to track expenses and investments. These tools will help you make informed decisions and keep your financial strategy on track. You can expand the use of financial tools. This involves going beyond basic options, exploring advanced market analysis platforms, apps dedicated to tracking cryptocurrency evolution, and investment simulation software. Also, include integration with digital financial advisors offering personalized recommendations based on artificial intelligence. Take advantage of financial aggregation services to have a comprehensive view of your financial health in one place. Each chosen tool should align with your investment strategy, helping you maximize returns while minimizing risks. To ensure that your investments are part of a solid financial plan, start by establishing a detailed budget that distinguishes between needs, wants, and savings/investments. Allocate a percentage of your income to invest each month, even before considering other expenses. This pay-yourself-first approach prioritizes your financial future. Use online budgeting tools to track your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back and reallocate funds towards your investments. To delve deeper into planning and budgeting, focus on setting clear and achievable short, medium, and long-term financial goals. Use budgeting apps to monitor your progress and adjust your spending as needed. Consider the importance of an emergency fund, so you don't have to deviate from your investments in tough times. Additionally, review and adjust your financial plan regularly to adapt to changes in your income, expenses, or goals. Careful planning and budgeting are essential to turn your financial aspirations into a tangible reality. To avoid pitfalls and common mistakes in your investments, remember not to let emotions or fleeting market trends sway you. Ignoring diversification is another key mistake. Don't put all your resources into a single investment. Likewise, avoid overconfidence, thinking you can beat the market without proper research. Another trap is impatience, expecting immediate returns and not allowing your investments to mature over time. Furthermore, keep in mind the importance of conducting your own research before investing, rather than following investment advice without grounds. The lack of an exit plan for your investments is also a common mistake. You should know when it's the right time to cash out and take your profits or cut losses. Finally, failing to adjust your portfolio according to changes in the market or your personal circumstances can result in missed opportunities or exposure to unnecessary risks. Avoiding these mistakes will help you effectively protect and grow your investment portfolio. Remember, the path to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Be consistent, keep learning, and adjust your strategy as you progress. We want to hear your success stories and strategies. Share in the comments how you've transformed your expenses into investments. Your experience could inspire and help others move forward on their journey to financial freedom. Thank you for joining us on this journey to transform your everyday expenses into smart investments. Remember, every financial decision counts on your path to financial freedom. Stay curious, keep learning, and, above all, share your own experiences. Until next time, where we'll continue unlocking the secrets to growing your wealth. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tips. See you in the next video.